Hey folks, Isaac Fried here talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps. I thought it would be a good idea to come out to the park and film this at sunrise. I don't know, you tell me, can you see? So today let's talk about Chapter 21, Intention. There it is. With an understanding of karma, or cause and effect, that our actions have consequences, and that by grasping we suffer and letting go we find peace, we can set the intention of letting go, of accepting what is. Here we go. Let's get centered in the screen and the sunlight. So that's the basic idea of Chapter 21, Intention. Setting the intention of not grasping, of being at peace with what is, so that we can just live a more peaceful life and learn how to not give a fuck. Thanks for watching. Pick up a copy of the book and watch these videos if you just have nothing else to do with your life any better than this.